Welcome to the next video of this Linux directory commands, directory change commands, and the file management commands. So in the last session, we created a couple of commands related to creation of the directories. Now, if I wanted to see where and which directory I'm working, I can say simply use a pwd command, present working directory. So it is showing me this root. Now sometimes I have this perform some activities into the another directory. So how and which command I'll be using. So there is a cd space directory name. Cd stands for the change directory. So there I'll be using as cd and I have dir as my directory. So if I change to this one and hit enter, so this command line also gets changed from the home directory or the root directory to this dir. So what are the execution of commands or the directory related commands if we're performing here that will go inside this dir. Now list out these directories or the files here. So I have just only one file here in this directory. Now this is for the simple one directory. If I want to jump into the directory which is previously which I have used, it means to come out of this directory. I'll just do the cd, it will go to the home directory. Cd, the purpose of the cd is to go to the home directory. So it is going to the root directory. Now if I want to jump to the directory and subdirectories, so where we have this directory and subdirectory, so inside this e directory we have dir e1. So if I move there dir e and inside that dir e1 and if hit enter, so you can see this directory and subdirectory, I'm there inside this one. Now to come out of this just one directory above, it means the parent directory for this dir e1 is dir e. So if I have to come out of only one directory, so I'll do this cd and dot dot. So I'll be doing this cd, I just missed one space there, cd space dot dot. So it is just coming one directory as a parent directory. Now to press upward key to get this previous commands back, I am doing this. So coming to home screen, and now I'll use this directory to go into the dir e1 and hit enter. So if this ls, only another directory is there, dir e2. So now to create this file, we can use this just to create empty file. Touch touch f1.txt. So this file 1.txt I have created, so it creates an empty file. If I do this ls, I can see these files f1.txt, f2, those files are available here. If I go to this home screen and do the ls, so these are the directories which we created. Now just go to this another command of a nano. So if I do this nano and we'll type this file 1.txt, it means when I hit this command enter, it will create the file and open this editor for me. Now I hit enter, so it is showing me this nanos and this is the file 1.txt. So I can start typing it here, some contents into file 1.file1 or file1.txt. Now to save this one, just use control s, and to come out of this section of this editor, just control X. It means all the contents which we have written in this file are saved. But how will confirm this contents are saved or no? So there is one next command we have is a call cat. So what is the purpose of this cat? Cat shows the contents which are in the file. I'll say cat and this file 1.txt and hit enter. So it shows the contents from the file 1. Sometimes we wanted to create a file using directly editor. So I just say vi and whatever the file name which is to be there, and so vi I'll say the vi and so I'll say some file dot txt and hit enter. So it is started showing us here, but you cannot type directly. If you start typing, it will not show anything. So to use this editor, we have to press I. So now this text got changed from something another text to this insert. So if I start typing some info into file using vi command, here the saving methodology is different. To save this file, first of all you have to press escape, then it is coming out of this editor mode, and then press colon. So colons got appeared in this bottom side of this command, this editor, and press W. So W is to save. Hit enter. This is saved, but to come out of this we have to quit this section. Again press colon and press Q, hit enter. It means the contents got saved in this file. If you want to see these contents from this file, use cat and some file.txt. It will show some info is into the file using a vi command. Sometimes if we want to do this save and exit from to the same command, then what we can do, we can use a another command called w key altogether. For example, vi file 3, let's say file 3.txt, and hit enter. So its editor got open. To start typing we have to press I have pressed I. To check wq command, so these are the contents we are adding it in. Again press escape, then just type this colon wq all together, press enter. So this contents got saved into this file 3, and we can see using this cat command to check this wq command.